Hey guys, it's beginning of February here in Midwestern Ohio, and we want to get our wood duck boxes ready when those birds reverse migrate. I want to walk you through our wood duck box construction, and then we'll go over the plans for it, how to set it up. So this box here is made of all cedar. It's going to last the elements. This whole box is made from a 12-foot by 10-inch piece. The cuts are minimal. You can see it's that 9 1/4 actual dimension around the whole box, all the parts, minus a few screws and drilling a hole and buying your conduit. It's relatively cheap. We're actually about $75 total invested in that. Cedar is not a cheap wood, but it's going to last. This box here is about 13 years old now, and I just want to tell you about the box. So you can see the construction here. The main point is we want to have predator protection, so we sleeve our metal conduit with PVC, and also we want a way to access our wood duck box to clean it seasonally. So that's where we're at today here in February. So we have a set screw in the bottom, it's hinged at the top. We can open the box up and you can see the inside. So you can see that this is last year's box. You see her down feathers. She came in here and made the nest. These are just pine shavings. We do place a screen within the box, and this metal mesh screen allows the hatchlings to put their nails in there and climb up to the top to get out. So we're gonna fill this full of fresh bedding every year. We fill it to the top of the hole. When that hen gets in there, whatever she doesn't want in there, she kicks out. She kind of makes the nest how she wants it, and she's ready for the season. So once we get the fresh bedding in there, we'll close it, and then we'll take it out to the marsh. So stick with us when we get this out to the marsh. We have another style of wood duck box, and we'll get these things set. Thanks, guys. We're all set up here with that box we showed you up at the house. We have a trail camera out here. It's just watching the wetland you see out here to the north. And we're going to bring it to the other wood duck box on the east. As you can see, Mother Nature didn't work with us this season. The ice has not been safe enough to walk on, which is a shame because this wood duck box doesn't come off the pole and it doesn't come out of the ground. So we're going to take this lid off. This is made with ductwork you'd find in your house. We need to get the lid off, put new bedding in, and we'll be good for the season. Thanks for watching. The wood duck boxes are successfully installed. We're just waiting on reverse migration. Stay with us for some trail camera pictures and some video from the house. Also hang with us this year, 2020. We're going to enhance the wetlands you see here. About 6,000 cubic tons of dirt to get moved. Also hang there with us. We got honeybees, gardening, all kinds of things to do this year. Thanks.